In those days, New York City was segregated, but not the South Bronx. There was this brief time when these neighborhoods were some of the most integrated places in the whole country.
We have everything here. We have Irish and a lot of Italian and Jewish people live there. It was a very tight community.
Our African-American neighbors had come from the Jim Crow South, looking for a better life, just like us.
We moved from Harlem to the Bronx when I was 3. We were the first African-Americans to move into Lyman Place as homeowners. So my window was that front window. You could hardly see it.
Is this the house that your dad bought?
Yes, in 1940. It had a wood picket fence, and I said, "Oh, Daddy, is that our house?" And right away, I was starting to protect it.
My family came to the Bronx in 1957. I was about 9. That's when my venture started, I guess. Seeing different people. Kelly Street was like a melting pot where there's no Puerto Rican, Black, Jews. Everybody was together. Everybody played football together, stickball together, partied together.
As soon as the weather got nice, out would come the instruments, the bongos, the congos, the cymbales. And then the Irish would start playing their Irish music back, so you had these music wars going out the windows. That's what made the neighborhood great.
When you heard that music, it was just so electrifying, and you couldn't wait to go and dance there.